This video is more of a public service announcement, something to be paying attention to, risk management, more than anything else. But it's really important if you're using your Google Drive to share files to be aware of the risk of sharing documents. Now, before I go into this conversation, if you like these videos, do me a favor, hit the like button, comment on the video, ask me any question, and if you want more of these videos on the ultimate guide to Google Drive sharing, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you get notified when I create the next videos. Now, here's the risk statement I'm talking about. When you're sharing a document, whether it's a sheet, a doc, a slide, it makes a difference what you're sharing. When you share it directly with individuals, you typically know who you're sharing it to. You know that person's email address is, teddyburris@gmail.com, and you kind of know, hopefully, you know who that person is before you give them viewer, commenter, or editor access. So again, when you share with an individual, you need to know who that person is before you give them specifically editor access, because editor access, they can typically share it with other people and even share it publicly. So be very deliberate about sharing it with individuals. You know who they are. General access is what I refer to as public access, anyone on the internet. When you do that, you give anyone with the link. You also want to be very careful doing that. It's okay and less risky to share a document where anybody on the internet can access it as a viewer, because all they're going to do is see the content. Now, assumably, when you're doing that, you want anyone on the internet to be able to see that content. So be very deliberate. If it's confidential or private information, you probably won't do this. It would not be wise. You should leave it restricted. However, if you do make it for anyone with a link, again, totally public access, be very deliberate again about, should I allow just viewers, or do I want the general public, anybody in the world, to be able to comment on it with recommendations for changes, or actually to change it and or share it with others? That would not be, typically would not be a wise thing to do. If you're going to share it for public access, I would limit it to just viewing capability. And one more risk management functionality, if you're going to share with anyone with the link to be a viewer, then look at these settings up here, and you may want to say viewers and commenters cannot download, print, or copy. You may want to turn that off as well, again, when you're sharing publicly on the internet. Here's something else you need to pay attention to when you're sharing content through Google Drive. And that is, if you have a shared folder, you can see this folder right there. See the little teeny icon, that folder is shared. And how do I share it? If I click on that folder, click on share, I have it set up for anybody with the link to be a viewer. So this folder, anybody who has a link to it on the internet can view the contents of this folder. So if I'm in this folder and I'm creating a new document, sheet, slide, whatever, new doc, look at the pop-up that happened. Google is alerting me that I am creating in a shared folder. The created item, this doc I just clicked create, will be shared to the same people as the selected folder. So if I just hit bam and go and I start creating, content about my personal finances, and I'm putting that information in this document, and it's in this folder called Google Docs that's shared with everybody, that's a mistake. So be very, very deliberate when you're creating documents in shared folders so that you don't inadvertently put content in that folder that you really don't want that individual, or you don't want that group of people, or you don't want general access to. Pay attention when you're creating docs, sheets, slides, whatever content in folders, and be aware of whether or not that folder is private or shared with others. So again, you don't make a mistake. My point of this video is to help you be aware of the risk of using Google Drive sharing. Now, by the way, every tool has risk. I just want you to be aware of the specific risks that you need to pay attention to so you don't make a mistake and create a document and share it with someone that you didn't want to share it with, to put a document that's private in a shared folder, or to share content anonymously and have someone inadvertently become an editor and change it and you don't want them to change it. You can always manage your sharing. So anytime you're sharing something, you can always go back and you can adjust the share so that you can take it away from somebody, or you can take a document that's in a shared folder and move it out of the shared folder and put it into a private folder. Pay attention to who you're sharing with. Pay attention to the content that you're sharing. So again, you get the greatest value out of using this very powerful tool, Google Drive sharing, but you don't make a huge mistake. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.